Today we're going to be doing a serpentine belt replacement on the 2.4 liter multi-air. So coming down to our serpentine belt, you can see it's pretty much near impossible to change it from the top up here. There's just not enough space to get your hands down in there around the pulleys. So what we're going to have to do is jack the front of the vehicle up. Once you remove your tire, our next step will be to remove the inner fender well, which is all the plastic that's on the inside of your fender. So there's 4 Phillips head screws you're going to have to remove. There's one there, one up top here, and the other one is right here. They come down underneath. You got your last one right there. And if we come up, we have 4 of these 10 millimeter. These are plastic nuts. There's one there, there, and right there, and there. And if we come straight down, we have that push-in clip right here. You can just grab the plastic from behind, and it'll just pop right out like that. Remove this inner fender well here. So this is what it should look like now. We can easily access all our pulleys. Before we remove the belt, I'll just give a little rundown on all the pulleys. This is your crank pulley. That is your AC compressor pulley. Your idler pulley. And you got your alternator pulley right there. This is your belt tensioner pulley. And all the way back, that is your water pump pulley. So what we're going to do is grab our 16 millimeter wrench, and on the closed end of the wrench, we'll put it on the tensioner pulley, right on that bolt right here, and we will turn it counterclockwise, and it'll loosen the whole belt up, and we will slip it off the idler pulley. And now just go ahead and grab your old belt, remove it from around all the pulleys. This would be the time to change your idler pulley if it needs to be changed, or any of these other pulleys, since you already got all this taken apart. Here's all the numbers on the belt. Alright, so we can grab our new belt, and we can get it up and around the alternator pulley, and we can put it around the AC compressor pulley, just in front of it for now. Go around our water pump pulley. Then we'll bring our belt up and go around the belt tensioner down to the crankshaft pulley. You might have to fix it around the AC compressor pulley. Now you can grab your wrench, and what we're going to do is pull the tensioner back, and we're going to slide it around the idler pulley, and then release the tensioner. Just make sure it's around all your pulleys right. And release it. Just double check everything. Come up on top of the engine. Just take a look at everything from up here. Make sure it all looks good. Alright, so now that we got the serpentine belt back on, all we have to do is reinstall our inner fender well. If you go ahead and just push your front edge in first, This will be a little easier to line these holes up. There we go. So just make sure the outside lip of the inner fender well is all pushed behind the lip on the fender. Push our push clip back in. When you're reinstalling these 10mm nuts, just snug them up by hand with the socket. They're not meant to be over tightened. They will just strip out on you if you do. So now that the inner fender well is back in, all you have left to do is put your tire back on and lower your vehicle down. If this video helped you out, if you could give it a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button.